going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox Monday. So in this Unboxing Monday is the REVELL 2006 Dodge Magnum SRT8. Sorry guys. But so let's go around the box and so what's on the box and we'll open it up so it comes inside and take a deeper look later on. Okay, so first up we're going to look at the decals, and I gotta say these decals, they look amazing. Let's get way up here. The license plates. You got this weird speaker goes on the back, which is kind of cool. You got some striping goes in the body, and gauges. And you also get a guitar, which is pretty awesome. The decals are in really good shape. Okay, so next we're going to look at some clear parts. And I gotta say, these clear parts are very, very nice. So right here you get your windshield, and let's get your headlights right here, and tail buckets. Tail lights, I meant. Right here, you do get pre-tinted back windows, which is awesome. I'm keeping these in a bag, but they are awesome. Awesome, they're pre-tinted for you. That's awesome. One less work for people who wants to make a dark color car with it. Okay, so next we got chrome parts, and right here you get your, looks like these are your tail light buckets right here. Got your mirrors and your headlights right here, and you got your wheels. So you do get, looks like you do get two different sets of wheels right here. They're pretty nice. Okay, now the bag, you do get this rear spoiler. Looks like kind of thing. I'm not sure what it is. It goes in the back. So that's your third brake light right there. In this tree, you have a hood. On the side, it has some decent detail. Little injector hammer right there, but that's easy to clean up. And this came off the tree, but this is your tailgate assembly. Okay, this tree, you have mirrors, you got your grill, and your back bumper. Okay, next we're going to get some silver trees. This kit is actually pretty cool because like the engine parts, like all these are all your engine parts. They're all in this like deep silver kind of color, which is pretty cool. Like, so you don't, if you are a beginner or something, which is good because you know, you don't have to paint it. You can just assemble it, and it's pretty colored. But I'm obviously going to paint this when I do build it. But the parts on these trees are amazing. Exhaust, it brakes. So these parts are pretty cool. Okay, next one we got some interior parts. You got your awesome dashboard right here. It's awesome right there. Really great detail. You got your steering wheel column, and here's your awesome guitar. That is beautiful. I don't know how they did that, but the casting on that is very nice. And you get your door cards. Okay, in this tree you get your seats. So these are your back seats and your front seats right here. And you get your main interior bucket right here. An engine bay. Okay, more interior parts. There's just so many of them. I couldn't fit it all in one screen. So this is your back like assembly for your interior, like the back part of a car, which is awesome. You get your seats backs for your front seats, and looks like your back seats too. And this goes on your rear tailgate, but it's the interior, which is awesome. They included that. Okay, and this is your back assembly. This is where these guys connect and stuff, which is pretty awesome. I will include that separately. Okay, let's look at some black parts. So these is pretty awesome too, because most of your chassis assembly is black. So here's your main chassis, and this thing is covered in detail. It is beautiful. There's so much detail parts, which is awesome. There's some lighting right here and here. Just gotta remove that. But other than that, that is awesome. Look at that. Amazing. And here's more chassis parts. These are your suspension and steering right here, and your back one right there. Okay. There's more engine parts. You get your pulleys, belts and pulleys right there, radiator, filter, and firewall. It looks like a skid plate. Look at that. You get two fans molded in there beautifully. That is stunning. And right here you get your suspension and your axle, your drive shaft and stuff. So right here, and shocks and all that good stuff right there. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at these tires. These are the stock tires, and they are pretty decent. They're cut out of the trees, so no sanding. If you want, you can scuff them up a little bit, make them look used. But the tires themselves are pretty awesome. They're a little squishy, but the tread pattern's amazing on them. No name by REVELL, obviously. Not nowadays, no name, but other than that, the tire itself is nice. Okay, the last two parts in the kit. This small bag, you get your metal exhaust tips right there, and you got some pins for the front wheels, I'm assuming, and you get your metal axle for the rear. And here is your body. Body is cast very, very well. Not much cleanup needed actually, just a little scuffing here and there, because the body is pretty shiny. You want to scuff that up so the primer can stick to it. And the back and the panel lines are pretty shallow, so I probably would slide those out a little bit more, a little bit deeper, probably a little bit wider, because they are pretty shallow. Don't want them to disappear when you do primer, paint, and clear on it. You got your sunroof, which is awesome. The underside, some injector pen marks, but those won't be really seen, so that's okay. But the body is beautiful. You get engine bay assembly. You do unfortunately have molded in windshield wipers, but that's easy detail paint, not a big deal. In your front, so the body is beautiful. So after taking a good look at this kit, I really do recommend this kit, guys. So the link will be down video box below where you guys can get one. This is an older kit, but I'm pretty sure you can still get them online, you know, like eBay and that kind of stuff. So let me see if I can find a couple, and I'll put them down box below for you guys to check it out. And your next vote for next Monday will be right there. So click on that and you can take your next vote. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now.